So in this video, I will show you how to sew using this mini sewing machine. So we got 2 pieces of fabrics to sew here. After you put the fabrics in place, there's a button at the front. Push it downwards. And then this is the power button. First, we're gonna try to stitch without the foot pedal. So I'm taking off the foot pedal cord here. And I chose the low mode. And press the no pedal button while you're sewing it. Now we're going to try it using the foot pedal. Stick the cord back to the machine and stitch it as usual.